Welcome to Economics Trainer. This video was made to help you strengthen your skills in microeconomics. Here we have a sample question, care of brighttutoring.ca. It's the kind of question you'd expect to see on a test in a second-year microeconomics class. Let's work through it together. So here's the question. Suppose we have a producer with a production function of output Q equals L to the 0.3, K to the 0.3, which gives them the marginal products for the marginal product of labor, MPL, equal to 0.3, L to the negative 0.7, K to the 0.3, and a marginal product of capital equal to 0.3, L to the 0.3, K to the negative 0.7. They'll have an operating budget of $100 to produce their output Q. Now what we have to figure out is the producer's optimal input bundle, L star and K star, when they have a wage rate equal to 5 and a rental rate equal to 1. So to solve this question, what we have to do is use the optimal input bundle tangency condition, which is MPL over MPK equals W over R. So let's plug in those equations. We had 0.3 L to the negative 0.7, K to the 0.3, and the wage rate was 5. And then for the MPK, that was 0.3, L to the 0.3, K to the negative 0.7, and the rental rate was 1. So let's see, to solve this out here, we can see that 0.3's cancel. And then for labor L, we just have to subtract the exponents. So we have negative 0.7 minus 0.3, which is negative 1. So we have an L on the bottom. And then for capital K, we have 0.3 minus 0.7. So I'll go positive. So it'll give us a positive 1, which is a K on the top. Then over the right-hand side, well, that's just going to be 5. So here we have K equals 5L. That'll be our first equation. Then we're going to take that and we're going to plug it into the total cost equation, which is your labor cost and your capital cost. And in this question, we had an operating budget of 100, so that'd be the total cost. The wage rate was 5. And then we have 1. And then here when we hit K for capital, we can plug in the 5L here. So let's see, we have 100. There's 5L here, that's 10L. So your optimal labor, L star, is going to be 10. So we take that, plug back into this equation, you say, okay, if your labor is 10, capital is 5 times that, so your optimal capital K star is going to be 50. So going back to the question here, we have 10 for labor and we have 50 for capital. And that's how you do that question. This video is brought to you by people who like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You can also support my work by buying me a coffee.